Welcome to the end-of-day recap of Cold Brew Finance, covering the latest market activities on Monday, July 20th, 2026. We feature key updates from indexes, sectors, technology, cryptos, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down today. The S&P 500 index closed at 7,444.73, losing 12.96 points. Following the trend, both the Dow 30 Index and Nasdaq Composite Index fell for the third consecutive day, with the Dow losing 307.16 points. On the market breadth front, declines outweighed advances across all indexes. The Dow 30 Index saw 9 advances against 21 declines. Similarly, the Russell 2000 Index remained weighted towards declines with 525 advances and 1,238 declines. Today's total returns highlight a challenging week. The S&P 400 Midcap Index and Russell 2000 Index both showed negative total returns for the week. The indices experienced downward breakouts after previous flat movements. Turning to sectors, the communication services showed strength, closing at 465.11. Energy advanced for the third day, closing at 886.23 with a strong upward trend. The technology made modest gains but maintained a mixed negative trend. Among the worst performers, healthcare declined by 1.1%, and basic materials posted a 0.93% loss, showing downward volatility today. Meanwhile, industrials and other sectors struggled with consecutive declines. Focusing on global markets, China led with a 2.1% gain, demonstrating upward volatility. Turkey followed with a 1.2% increase. Emerging markets, including Hong Kong, showed mixed trends despite upward movement. In terms of total and daily returns, Turkey exhibited a positive trajectory with over a 13% monthly rise. Indonesia maintained a 3-day winning streak, showing solid gains despite yearly losses. China saw volatility, but had a notable weekly return. In technology stocks, Apple closed down at 326.59, dropping 7.15, while maintaining a very strong positive trend despite 3 days of flat prices. Alphabet ended up closing higher at 351.37, with a price increase of 5.25, but is showing a mixed negative trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is at 65,351.64, up by 669.86. Ethereum shows strength with a 32.67 rise, currently at 1,903.56. Solana breaks out upward from a flat trend, gaining 1.58 to reach 77.91. Meanwhile, Dogecoin is slightly down at 0.0722, continuing a negative trend. In terms of returns, Bitcoin sees a weekly total return of just over 1%. Ethereum outpaces it with a remarkable 1.7% gain. Solana leads further with a 2% increase, marking impressive upward movement. Dogecoin, however, is down 0.24% amidst ongoing decline.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar strengthened against key currencies today. With the euro, the greenback is currently at 0.8758, up by 0.24%. Notably, it showed an upward breakout after 4 days of relatively sideways movement. Similarly, it's gaining on the British pound at 0.7445, increasing 0.22% after breaking out from a 3-day flat trend. Meanwhile, against the Japanese yen, it holds at 162.5070 with a minor rise. The greenback also exhibits a very strong trend against the Swiss franc and is up to 0.8102, continuing its ascendancy. However, it lost slight momentum against the Australian dollar at 1.4285. Overall, the US dollar displayed general strength in today's market with some mixed trends.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.